Hi guys, so today we'll create this basketball using Blender. So open Blender, I'll delete this default cube, go to mesh and add UV sphere. Go to front view, toggle on X-ray mode, go to edit and delete this bottom half. Delete vertices. Also delete this. Delete vertices. X-ray mode off. Now I'll make the black pattern which you can see in the basketball. For that, take the knife tool, draw the pattern, enter. Select these edges using edge select mode. Also at the center and the corner. Now add a mirror modifier. Mirror onto X, also to Z. Go to object mode, apply. You can see the edges are selected. Now go to bevel tool. Using the slider, bevel these edges. By pressing shift, you can move slightly. Go to this bevel properties and change the segments to 7. Enter. Now go to select more or less and less. Now we'll scale this selected edges. Go to resize tool and scale a little bit. Go to object mode and I'll add subdivision surface modifier. Increase the levels to 3. Now we'll add material to this. Go to material properties, create new material, give us ball, give orange color. I'll go to material preview mode. Now we'll add black color. Go to edit mode. Make sure these edges are selected. Click plus. Add new material, black. And click on assign. If you go to object mode, you can see our basketball is ready. Now I'll add a bump effect to the surface. So select this ball. Go to shading tab. Add a Voronoi texture. And add a bump node. Connect the distance to the height and normal to the normal. Here change F1 to smooth F1 and increase the scale to 200. Here decrease the strength. So I'll give 0.2. Go to layout tab. So you can see our ball is ready. I'll add some lighting and I'll render this.